Welcome back, everybody. Today we're taking a look at Undressed Tire Prep from P&S's Pro Series. So what Undress was formulated for was to remove and penetrate that road and dirt grime buildup that happens on your tire. It also is going to remove past dressings that accumulated over time. It's also going to brighten up the lettering on your tires. So what you want to do is you want a hard bristled brush. You just apply it. My dilution today is 1:1. You can use it straight. It's also dilutable 10:1. So you just want to spray it, let it sit for a moment, and then hit it with that brush. So I'm going to go ahead and get going on this wheel. We'll show you another wheel, and then we'll be good to go. As you can see, you can already tell all the dirt that's on the tire there. So this product is best used as a pre-dressing application. So you want to use the Undress before you apply your tire dressing. Another great use for that Undressed tire prep is to be used on those inner rubber floor mats. So I'm going to use it on these WeatherTechs here. Again, you want a nice bristle brush. This time I'm going in with the drill bit brush just so that the process goes a little faster. So again, you'll just spray it down. Let it sit for a moment here. And there you go. Now that the tire has set a little bit, you can see that lettering is really looking nice. Now you can go in with your dressing of choice. You can go in with Dressed from P&S or Dynamic or whatever dressing you'd like to go in with. But that is how you use Undressed Tire Prep. Thanks for watching.